Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Biotech Academia and today's video is about all the general and necessary things you need to know about this field called biotechnology. So most of the students after passing their 12th standard or A levels, they opt for biotechnology. Also I figured out that there are myths or misconception about the biotechnology subject and students they choose the area but they don't know or they don't have a clear picture about this field. Therefore, I'm going to explain those things in biotechnology that will gonna give you a direction or simply a clear idea about this field. As being a graduate in biotechnology from a very premier institute in Pakistan, we already discussed these things in our previous video, but we can also say that biotechnology it is the use of application or the use of technology in biology that is called biotechnology that form this field or this subject area. This field is like a partial combination of medical sciences and the partial combination of technology to make it biotechnology. We will also discuss several disciplines and subjects in the biotechnology in our next video, including cell biology, immunology, bioinformatics, medical biotechnology, plants biotechnology, and physiology. So we can say that the medical sciences plus the technology and some engineering they forms a biotechnology. In terms of eligibility criteria, so we can say that if you have done your 12th grade education or if you have done A levels in science or simply you studied the subjects like physics, chemistry, or biology in your college, then you can opt for biotechnology in your higher university. So it is a subject which is mostly based on the practical experience that includes performing different tests and how the disease develop and how it progresses in the human body or living organism, and also how it can be cured. So on totality, this subject is quite interesting, good at practicals, and if you would like to have a deep or thorough understanding of this subject area, because these things they could be explained and they could be learned. So thus will give a lot about knowledge and experience at the end, and you will get edge at the end after studying this subject, because this is a vast subject with a lot of practical knowledge, so you have a better chance to implement those things in your practical life. So this is a very vast subject where you cannot only stick to the graduate degree. You need to go for your masters or PhD. Unlike any other subjects, you can also go for a masters in subjects, for example molecular biology, cell biology, genetics, or medical biotechnology, or any other subject which you love depending about your interest or your area. So this subject will lead you towards a research, and you should have to know and you should have to be clear about choosing biotechnology, that this will lend me to do research, or I am the person who could work in a research or development, or maybe if I could join a pharmaceutical or a biotech industry. Simply you could land into academics if you are not a kind of any other person above them. In a case of earning or talking about the earning or resources in biotechnology after completing your degree or your graduation, so I can say that in this field your earning and income resources it increases with the passage of time as well as with your experience, and there are different companies who recruit biotechnologists, and your chances to make good money it increases on the basis of your experience and your capability and your abilities to do work in different areas. So you can get a chance to earn good money, and this will increases even in Pakistan, where people say that there are very less resources, but you could, nothing is impossible. But if you intend to go to any other foreign country like US, Canada, or Germany, or simply any other country, this will provide a very quiet, like a dream job opportunity to you, depending upon your sources and depending upon your capabilities to perform that duty in that job. So we can say that the resources and opportunities are greater in other countries than Pakistan or India. And coming towards the academic perspectives, so the bachelor's degree in this subject it consists of 4 years, and it involves 8 semesters mostly. And in most cases and most of the time, your last semester it could be dedicated to research and the practical project. In a few countries and few people they say that this semester, the last semester, is called as the project semester. So in my case I was assigned a topic on genome wide analysis of metal tolerance protein, and this subject is quite a vast. Also I mentioned that this will provide you the greater learning opportunities with the practical knowledge, and you will get to know a lot about pursuing your degree regarding metabolism, regarding disease, its cure, its causes, and its spread, and many more other things. Also, you all need to be patient about pursuing your degree in biotechnology, because I mentioned that you have to go for a graduation which will take 4 years of your time, and then for masters which will further take your 2 years of time, and then if you could go for PhD it will take around 3 to 4 years. So that's why I'm saying that you need to be patient while pursuing your degree in biotechnology and while going through all these steps, because at the end it will all worth it and you will all get as a payback. So, this was all for me for today. I hope I mentioned and I covered all those things that are general and that are necessary to know about. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.